Good morning children. In the previous class we have done the properties of multiplication. Today we are going to do practice zone 9 in page number 66 textbook. Okay children. In the previous class we have filled the blanks using the properties of multiplication. In this class we are going to do practice zone 9 page number 66 textbook. So today let us do the story problems. Okay children. Solve the following. Solve the following. Okay children. Now I am going to read the first question. The first question is a piece of cake has 347 calories in it. How many calories are there in 8 pieces of cake? Okay children. In one cake there are 347 calories. Now we have to find out how many calories are there in 8 cakes. Okay children. In one cake there are how many calories? There are 347 calories. Now we have to find out how many calories are there in 8 cakes. Okay children. So the first statement is number of calories in one cake. Number of calories in one cake. So 347. Number of cakes. How many cakes are there? There are 8 cakes. There are 8 cakes. We have to find out how many calories will be there in 8 cakes. So what we have to do? Here we have to use the operation multiplication. The number of calories in one cake is given and we have to find out the number of calories in 8 cakes. So we have to use the operation multiplication here. Now let us find out the number of calories in 8 cakes. So let us do the multiplication. Okay children. So first we have to multiply 8 with 7. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. Okay children. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay children. There are 2776 calories in 8 cakes. Okay children. There are 2776 calories in 8 cakes. Did you understand children? So, in one cake there are 347 calories. Now we have to find out how many calories are there in 8 cakes. So, how many calories are there? 2776 calories are there in 8 cakes. Okay children. Now let us do the second question. Now I am reading the second question. There are 2347 sheets of paper in a box. So how many sheets are there in a box? There are 2347. So how many sheets are there in 15 box? Now we have to find out how many sheets will be there in 15 box. Okay children. So let us do the sum. Number of sheets of paper in one box. Number of sheets of paper in one box. So how many sheets of paper in one box? There are 2347 sheets of paper in one box. Now we have to find out how many sheets of papers will be there in 15 boxes. So how many boxes are there? 15 boxes. Number of boxes is equals to 15. So here also we have to use the operation multiplication because it is given that there are 2347 sheets of paper in one box and we have to find out the number of sheets of papers in 15 boxes. So we have to do the operation multiplication here. So now let us find out number of sheets of paper in 15 boxes. So let us do the multiplication. Okay children, let us do the multiplication. Let us do the multiplication. First, let us multiply the whole number with 5. Then let us multiply the whole number with 1. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay children. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay children. Okay. Now 1 is in 10's place. So put 0 in 1's place. 1 sevens are 7. 1 fours are 4. 1 threes are 3. 1 twos are 2. Let us add both the numbers. 5. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 11 plus 1 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So there are 35,205 sheets of papers in 15 boxes. Okay children, did you understand? So it is given that there are 2,347 sheets of paper in one box. Now we have to find out how many sheets of papers are there in 15 boxes. So what we have to do? Here we have to use the operation multiplication. So how many sheets of papers are there in 15 boxes? There are 35,205 sheets of papers in 15 boxes. Sheets of papers in 15 boxes. Okay children, now let us do the third sum. Let us do the third sum. So what is the third sum? Now I am going to read the third sum. Deepali has 23 packets of stamps. There are 112 stamps in each packet. Find the total number of stamps Deepali has. So in each packet, how many stamps are there? There are 112 stamps in each packet. Now we have to find out how many stamps are there in 23 packets. Okay children? Deepali has 23 packets of stamps. In each packet there are 112 stamps. Now we have to find out how many stamps are there with Deepali. Okay children? So first let us write down number of stamps in one packet. So in one packet how many stamps are there? There are 112 stamps. So how many packets is Deepali having? Number of packets. So Deepali is having how many packets? She is having 23 packets. So how many packets she is having? She is having 23 packets. Now we have to find out how many stamps are there in 23 packets. Further, we have to use the operation multiplication. So now we have to find out number of stamps in 23 packets. Did you understand children? In one packet there are 112 stamps. Now we have to find out how many stamps are there in 23 packets. For that we have to use the operation multiplication here. First we have to multiply the whole number with 3. Then we have to multiply the whole number with 2. And then we have to add the products. So let us first multiply with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 is in 10's place. Put 0 in 1's place. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now let us add both these numbers. 6, 7, 5, 2. So there are 2576 stamps in 23 packets. So Deepali is having 2576 stamps with her. Okay children. Now let us do the fourth question. Let us do the fourth question. Okay children. So what is the fourth question? So the fourth question is, the weight of a box is 345 kgs. How much will be the weight of 125 such boxes? Here the weight of one box is given and we have to find out the weight of 125 boxes. Okay children. So let us first write down the weight of one box. Weight of one box. So what is the weight of one box? The weight of one box is 345 kgs. The weight of one box is 345 kgs. How many boxes are there? Number of boxes. There are 125 boxes. How many boxes are there? There are 125 boxes. Now we have to find out the weight of 125 boxes. For this we have to use the operation multiplication. Because here the weight of one box is given and we have to find out the weight of 125 boxes. So we have to use the operation multiplication. So weight of 125 boxes is equals to. So let us do the multiplication. First we have to multiply the whole number with 5. Then we have to multiply the whole number with 2. And in the last we have to multiply the whole number with 1. And then we have to add the 3 products. Okay children. Then we have to add the 3 products. Okay. 5 5s are how much? 5 5s are 25. Okay. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 2 is in tens place, so put 0 in ones place. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 3s are 6. 1 is in hundreds place, so put 0 in ones place and tens place. So 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. Now we have to add all these products. 5, 2, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 10, 13. 3 plus 1, 4. So the weight of 125 boxes is 43,125 kgs. So the weight of 125 boxes is 43,125. Okay children. Let us do the last sum, which is the fifth sum. Okay children. So what is the fifth question? Here the cost of a wooden chair is given. So the cost of a wooden chair is 1,387. What is the cost of 78 chairs? So here the cost of one wooden chair is given and we have to find out the cost of 78 chairs. Okay children. So first let us write down the cost of one chair. Cost of one chair is equals to rupees 1,387. So how many chairs are there? Number of chairs. So number of chairs is how much? Number of chairs is 78. Number of chairs is 78. We have to find out the cost of 78 chairs. Here the cost of one chair is given and we have to find out the cost of 78 chairs. We have to use the operation multiplication here. Okay children. Now let us find out the cost of 78 chairs. So here we have to use the operation multiplication. First we have to multiply the whole number with 8. Then we have to multiply the whole number with 7. And then add the products. Okay children. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 64 plus 5 is 69. Okay children. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. Okay children. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 7 is in tens place, so put 0 in ones place. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 56 plus 4 is equals to 60. Okay. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6 is equals to 27. 7 ones are 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Now we have to add both the numbers. 6, 9 plus 9 is 18. 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the cost of 78 chairs is 1,08,186 rupees. Okay children. So the cost of 78 chairs is 1,08,186 rupees. Did you understand children? Here the cost of one chair is given and you have find out the cost of 78 chairs. And the cost of 78 chairs is 1,08,186. Okay children, today's homework is you have to practice this. Practice zone 9 in your rough book. Okay children, practice zone 9 in your rough book. Okay children, that's all for today's class. Okay, bye.